Top 5 Chrome extensions for developers in 2021 that you are not using and I think that you should be using. By the way, progress, we are now a bubble, so you can see me, I guess. So the first extension, if you're actually wondering what it is, you are looking at it. So this extension is called Momentum. It kind of helps you and motivates you. You can set whatever you want to focus on that day. Right here, let's say build Uber or something like that, and boom, it will save it for you. Once you're done, you can cross it off and it will good job you, and it's just amazing. You can show a mantra like it's a good day to have a good day. So I personally like this browser, this extension. It doesn't actually help you much with development, but it helps your life out, so check it out. The second extension we will be viewing is this. By the way, we are at 74 subscribers. Seriously, we can crank this up. I post videos on front end, back end, and full stack topics. You can see there's React, we have PHP. There's definitely something for you here. Important videos like how to push your code to GitHub, deploying your apps for free. We have really cool challenges like the 100 PHP projects, the 100 React projects. I mean, we have full courses. There's definitely something for you on this channel, so consider hitting that subscribe button. This second extension is called What Runs, and just show you literally what actually powers a site. Like we can see what powers Airbnb is. We have Nginx as the server. We have JavaScript frameworks like Backbone, Handlebars, all the good stuff. And by the way, you didn't see what the source viewer does. So once you just click it, you can see, I mean, this is the entire source code for Airbnb. You can choose JavaScript, see their JavaScript, their CSS. I mean, this is just amazing. And that's our third extension. Our fourth extension is this simple but elegant color picker. I mean, all you have to do is click it and then just drag it over the color you would like to copy, like let's say this calculator, and you can copy the RGB or this hex value option. So it's really handy and it's amazing for you. Just pick it, go with it, you won't regret it. And then for the last extension, it's an API tester. I absolutely love this. Like if you find an API and you would like to test it, or you don't even know how to get API requests, all you have to do is paste in the base URL they give you, and once you send it, it will give you back the query. I mean, this is the Rick and Morty API. So once I go to their documentation, I can just copy this base URL, head back to my API tester, paste it, and see what it gives back to me. And if I wanted this code, I could just download this and then paste it in my browser, and I will actually make this request from my browser without prior knowledge of how APIs work or how you can work with APIs. This video is kind of running long. I wanted it to be like a few minutes. I'm going to throw in a font. So it's called What Font. So like once you have it, whichever font you don't know about what it can do, just click on it and it will show you what font it is and how you can get it. So that will be all for our 5 top Chrome extensions for web developers for 2020. Before you click out of this video, make sure you head back to the channel. Please hit that subscribe button and I'll see you guys in the next one. Fortune to you all. Peace out and have a nice day. We'll build Uber. No, we won't. Have a nice day.